Most people get this wrong when choosing a CRM for a commercial cleaning business. They pick software that looks advanced but completely ignores how fast jobs move in real life. Here's the truth, no one tells you. In commercial cleaning, the best CRM is not about complexity. It's about control, speed, and consistency. If your system slows you down, you lose contracts to competitors who simply respond faster. In this video, you'll learn the best CRM options for commercial cleaning businesses in 2026, what features actually matter, and how to choose the right one for your growth. Let's get right into it. In commercial cleaning, your biggest challenge is not just getting clients. It's managing recurring contracts, multiple locations, and teams working at different sites every night or early morning. That's why many companies use field service CRMs instead of generic sales tools. One of the most popular choices is Jobber. It handles scheduling, invoicing, client communication, and recurring jobs in a simple interface. For small and mid-sized cleaning companies, it helps keep operations organized without overwhelming your team. Imagine Alex runs a cleaning company with 10 office contracts. Without a CRM, he's tracking schedules in spreadsheets and texting updates manually. With a CRM, every location is scheduled automatically, and his team gets clear instructions on their phones. But here's the problem. Many business owners think winning the contract is the hard part. In reality, keeping the contract profitable is where most companies struggle. This is where most people fail. A missed cleaning, a delayed crew, or a miscommunication can cost a long-term commercial client. A good CRM prevents that by automating reminders, tracking job completion, and logging service history for every location. Now here's where it gets interesting. As your business scales, you start dealing with multiple crews, large buildings, and strict compliance requirements. At that stage, you may need more advanced systems like Service Editing, which offer deeper reporting, dispatching, and operational control. In a minute, I'll show you how to quickly decide which CRM is right for your business. First, focus on 5 essentials. Recurring scheduling, mobile access for cleaning crews, automated invoicing, customer communication logs, and multi-location management. If a CRM does not handle these well, it will slow you down instead of helping you grow. Let's take a simple example. Jake runs a commercial cleaning company, servicing medical offices. By using automated scheduling and job tracking, he reduces missed cleanings and improves client retention without hiring extra admin staff. That is the real power of the right CRM. So, what is the best CRM for commercial cleaning businesses in 2026? It is the one that helps you manage recurring work, coordinate teams efficiently, and maintain long-term client relationships without chaos. If the system makes your operations smoother instead of more complicated, you are on the right track. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more business software breakdowns, and comment which CRM you are currently using or considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.